Get glowing skin with yogurt and honey face mask. Did you know that yogurt and honey can work wonders for your skin, giving you that radiant glow you've always wanted? Seriously, these two ingredients are like magic for your complexion, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to harness their power. In today's video, you'll learn how to create a simple yet effective face mask using just yogurt and honey to achieve glowing skin. It's super easy, and trust me, you won't need any complicated ingredients or fancy tools. Just a few minutes of your time, and you could be well on your way to that dewy, fresh face look we all dream about. Now, let's talk about something many of us face: dull or uneven skin tone. It's frustrating, right? You might feel like no matter what products you try, nothing seems to work. And with all the skincare options out there, it can become overwhelming trying to find something that's both effective and natural. Plus, who wants to slather a bunch of chemicals on their face when there are so many natural remedies available? That's where yogurt and honey come into play. They're not only super accessible, but also packed with nutrients that can change your skin game. So, what's so special about yogurt and honey? Let's break it down. Yogurt is rich in lactic acid, which gently exfoliates your skin and helps to brighten your complexion. It's also loaded with probiotics that can help balance your skin's natural oils. On the other hand, honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin and keeps it hydrated. It also has antibacterial properties that can help with breakouts. Now, let's get to the fun part: the recipe. To make your yogurt and honey face mask, you'll need just two ingredients: plain yogurt and raw honey. Start with 2 tablespoons of yogurt and mix in 1 tablespoon of honey until you have a smooth paste. Apply this mask evenly across your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. You'll feel the difference right away. And now for the most exciting part: applying the mask. Watch how easily it glides on and feel that cool sensation as it sits on your skin. As I let it do its magic, you'll notice that it's not only nourishing but also super soothing. And when I rinse it off, oh my gosh, just look at that glow. My skin feels soft, hydrated, and absolutely radiant. You've got to try this for yourself to see the immediate effects. Using yogurt and honey for skincare is a game changer. You get the exfoliating benefits of yogurt along with the moisturizing and antibacterial properties of honey. It's a natural, easy, and effective way to achieve that glowing skin we all want. So why not give it a try? Your skin will thank you. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your experience with the mask. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. And while you're here, check out my other videos for more skincare tips and tricks to keep you glowing. See you next time.